Hi everyone, my name is Rowan and I am a graphic designer based at Hiperdist UK. Today I'm going to run through Figma, in particular the feature FigJam, which I find really useful to help organise and plan out my thoughts and future activities, as well as to collaborate with the rest of the marketing team. I hope that this quick tutorial will help you out too. First, you need to create your free account. From there, you'll be able to access and create a FigJam board. You can use the desktop app like I do, or you can just use the website. I demonstrate here on the website for your help. From here, you can explore templates and other options. You can click the search icon to bring up all of the templates available on Figma. You can explore by category or type in the search bar what you're looking for. You also can start from scratch. You can pick a starting layout or use a fresh board. Using this feature in the toolbar, you can even include plugins and widgets such as polls, timers and graphs. The best part is that you can collaborate with your team members and work together on a brainstorm wherever you may be in the world. This includes an online calendar, diagrams, newsletters, planning, pros and con boards, UI, UX, etc. I really hope this quick informational tutorial has helped you understand Figma a little better, and I hope you will give it a try. Thank you.